Hi.
Why do you make that so awkward?
We're doing a quick video on polishing rocks with a wet grinder.
Yeah, we're using a 5-inch wet grinder, polishing large specimens, Exhibit A. So it's too big to be used on a cab machine. So we bring out this fun little toy.
Ta-da! And here we go. They all look crappy.
They look like that.
They all look like that.
That one, and that one,
Look at that.
and like that.
Ew.
Oh, like that, I guess.
Yeah.
And then that one looks like that.
Yeah.
That one might fall apart too. I don't really know. Anyways, it's about to get loud, so.
Found out where the screw came from right here. It was an important part. You have to go get a screwdriver.
What are you doing?
Brian lost a screw.
Lost a nut.
Oh, even worse. I just had an idea.
And
With that one, I'll tell you my idea. So, what we decided to do.
we?
Okay,
Thank you.
there's this corner here that if we took it off, it'd give us a little bit better view of what's underneath this part of the agate.
Oh, look at
And-
this we can.
And
Yeah. Watch out.
make this part shiny too.
Uh-huh. There we go.
Have fun with that.
Thanks.
Huh?